Welcome to section B. This is question 1. Section B question 1 shows that this is a method of drawing factor trees used for find the prime factor of number n. So to find the prime factor of number n, 14 and n is a factor, and 14 come out a prime factor which is 2 times y, which is 7. 2 times 7 will give you 14. And another part will be 2 times 3 will give you 6. So state the number of n. N will be 6 times 14 and you will get 84. So you get 2 marks here and you get 1 mark here. Express n in the form of prime factorization. So n will be equal to the last 4 number, which is 2 times 7 times 2 times 3. So this is the factor of prime factorization means. Alright, and you get another 1 mark. Question 2 shows an algebraic expression. Determine the number of algebraic expression in the algebraic expression here. So number of algebraic terms here you have. So how many terms you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 here and you get 1 mark. Identify the like term. Like term means you are finding the same variable. This is 2p because p squared. This is 1q, so 1q. This is p and q. This is only 1. This is q and p. So p and q and q and p are same. So this is the like term and you get 1 mark. Simplify the algebraic expression. You are required to simplify this. P squared minus 3q plus 4pq minus 1 minus 6qp. Since 4pq and 6qp are like term, you can actually plus them up. So 4pq minus 6pq will give you negative 2pq minus 1. So you simplify it and you get 1 mark. Now for B, determine the coefficient of 3bc. Coefficient of 3bc from the term of 15ab squared c. So to find coefficient of 3bc, simply divide the original term by 3bc and you will get the coefficient. So 15 divide 3 you will get 5, a divide nothing you get a, b squared you divide b you will get b, and c divide c you will get nothing. So 5ab is the coefficient. 1 mark here. Question 3. The diagram shows a neck of an object. So you can see that this is a diameter followed with this thing. So if you cover this up with this shape, you will get a cone. Alright. State the base radius. As you know, diameter is 14. The radius will be 7. Okay, by dividing 2. State the height of the object. So the height of the object is, you know the slanting is 25. I know the slanting is 25. I know the radius down here is 7. So the height will be here. So to find the height, I use 25 squared minus 7 squared. Square root the answer, I will get 24 for the height. So 1 mark here. And then you are required to calculate the volume. So the volume formula is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. As you know, the pi is 22 over 7 times r, which is 7 squared, times h, which is 24. And by using calculator, I will get 1232 cm cube as the final answer. Question 4. As we have a triangle here, we are trying to find the answer. Sin theta, sin means opposite over hypotenuse. So sin theta opposite will be b, hypotenuse is c, so it will be b over c. Alright, it will connect to here. Sin alpha, alpha opposite is a, the hypotenuse is c, so it will be a over c. Same goes to this cos. Cos theta is actually adjacent over hypotenuse. So theta adjacent is a, hypotenuse is c, so cos theta is a, c, and then cos alpha is adjacent, which is b, to hypotenuse c. So it will be b over c. So you will get 2 marks here. So find the value of theta and of alpha. So let's say sin theta is equal to b over c. So B is, you do not have B but only A, so we cannot use B over C. So what we do is we don't use this formula, we use another one. We only look at A and C here. Okay, B and C we ignore. So sine alpha is equal to A over C, and also cos theta is equal to A over C. So what we do now, we substitute the value of alpha is 3 and of A is 3 and the C is 5. Same goes to cos theta, which is 3 and 5. So alpha will be shift sine, you will get sine -1, 3 over 5. Shift sine 3 over 5 and you will get the answer of 36.87 degree. Alright, same goes to here. Theta, if you press shift cos, it will give you cos -1, 3 over 5. So means that you shift cos 3 over 5, you will get 53.13 degree. So theta will be 53.13, alpha will be 36.87 degree. Question 5 shows that there's a circle, and to find the x value, we know that 6 cm will be giving you 40 degree. So 3 cm will be giving you how many degree? So x will be equal to 20 because 6 is 40, 3 is half, divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2 will give you 20. So x is 20 for the first one. As we can see, in the middle is always 2x. At the circumference means the outside here. We call this as circumference outside. We also call this as circumference. All this as circumference. Around the circle area, we call this circle perimeter, we will call this circumference. It will be divided by 2 to get the x. So 260 divided by 2, you will get 130. X is 130. Alright? So we know that this line is passed through the center and it forms a triangle. So if a line passes through a center and form a triangle, this will be a 90 degree. So we know that this part is a 90 degree. And then we know that this is 100 degree and it forms a triangle. If you can see, it becomes like this. Alright, it forms something like this. This is a center. Okay, so this is 100. The side here will be 50 because divided by 2 as explained here. Okay, because this is at circumference, this is at center. Okay, if center it will be 2x, circumference will be 1x. So you know that this is 50. So x will be 90 minus 50 and you will get 40 degree. For B, state the smallest perfect square that is divisible by 3 and 7. So to find perfect square, we can actually use 3 times 3 because it's a perfect square. So we just square it, and also times with 7 with square. So means that this is a 7 square and this is a 3 square, and we will get the answer of 441. So this is a 441, which is smallest perfect square that can divide by 3, also 7. 1 mark.